Today I'm bringing you lemon balm. Lemon balm is a beautiful herb that is grown in abundance right now. It grows in the spring and it comes up like a big bush, and it's very, very good for your nervous system. It's good for digestion, and it has a beautiful aroma and flavor. So when you put it in a big pan like I'm doing here, I put quite a lot of it in it, if you can see, and I'm boiling some water. Obviously always rinse whatever you pick, even if it grows in your garden. It's better to give it a bit of a wash. Put it in the water, and for this big pan I will add about 2 kettles full, and then put it to boil for a little bit. So you're making a tea type of thing, and this infusion of the leaves with water will leave you with a golden color tea, and you can drink it hot or you can drink it cold. You can add honey to it. You can add licorice to sweeten it if you don't want to have any sugar in it. You can add sugar or jiggery. Jiggery is a sugar cane from Ayurveda, which is very, very good for you. It's detoxifying. And I love it as a lemonade. You can have the tea cool down, put some lemons and put it in a jug for the summer, for the springtime. Is fantastic. And it's really, really good as an alternative to other flavorsome drinks. So I hope you will try it out and let me know how you go. And if you have any questions, please do get in touch. Jenny Calosi from Cook From Scratch. Thank you.